Ugh. Damn. I need to get washed up and get bandaged up, but I don't even know where I am. I should go somewhere, I don't know. But it's getting kind of dark, so I think I should spend the night. But where am I gonna sleep? Because I have to sleep over here. What am I gonna sleep on? Looks like I have to wait till the morning. Before I go to sleep, I'm gonna go catch something. Ugh. Ow! Gotta cut it off. Damn. Damn. Ow. Ugh. That hurt. My bleeding's getting worse. I should probably not hunt. Should I? I don't know anymore. If I probably even do, I might get killed. So I should not even take a risk. I guess I'll just sleep now. That hurt. Let's go lay down. I wonder what's gonna happen. What's that? I have to be quiet because I don't know what's there. That was the close one. I have to get shut eye. It's dark. Oh, it's morning. That's cool. But that was scary last night. But why am I acting like a wuss? I have to act like a man. Like a tough man, but yeah, I need to find my way back home. But yeah. Seriously. Damn. How am I gonna find my way back home? Wait, did I hear something? Night. Wait, what? Good night. Mom? Yes, honey? When is Dad gonna come back? He's been gone for 2 days, Mom. He said he was gonna go out hunting. Even if he died. He died? No, we don't know that for sure. I hope he's not dead. Come on, let's go and see. Grab the gun, okay, girls? I'm gonna go get ready. So just get ready. Okay, Mom. Come on, sis. Okay. Girls, are you ready? I'm ready. I'm ready, Mom. Sweetie, I said grab the gun. We have no guns, actually, Mom. Oh, yeah, I forgot. But let's go. We have no time to waste. Why does everything have to be so grassy? Shut up, honey. I'm sorry, actually. Are you sure we're gonna find him? Absolutely sure. Okay. Is that Daddy? You found him? Wait, what?